The TSI PortaCount uses a quantitative method to check that the subject can achieve an adequate seal between a tight-fitting facepiece and their face. It counts the number of particles both inside the mask and outside in the ambient air. From this, a fit factor, a measure of how well a respirator fits, is calculated. The PortaCount is suitable for testing all types of tight-fitting respirator, disposable respirators, as well as half mask and full face masks used with particulate or combination filters. In addition to understanding the content of this training video, anyone conducting a fit test should meet the criteria for a competent person detailed in the Health and Safety Executive's Information Document on Fit Testing, HSE 282/28, which is freely available on their website www.hse.gov.uk. This video demonstrates a fit test using a TSI PortaCount conducted in accordance with HSE 282/28. For information on how to conduct fit tests in accordance with other established national protocols, or for detailed instructions on how to set up and operate a TSI PortaCount, please see the link shown at the end of the video. Set up your PortaCount in accordance with the supplied instructions. The subject should refrain from smoking for at least 60 minutes prior to the fit test. Ask the subject to fit their respirator and perform a fit check. They should also wear any other personal protective equipment or glasses that will be used with the respirator and might impact on its fit. Explain the test and the exercises to be performed, and explain that the fit exercises, with the exception of bending at the waist, should be performed whilst conducting physical exercise. The most common method is continuous stepping up and down from a fitness step, although walking on a treadmill or cycling on a static bicycle are acceptable. The exercises are designed to simulate some of the stresses the facial experiences during the working day. HSE 282/28 specifies the minimum fit factor values for a fit test pass by product type. The N95 companion must be used for testing FFP1 and FFP2 respirators. Please see the TSI PortaCount instruction manual and HSE 282/28 for more information. Start the fit test. The PortaCount provides a visual and audible prompt for both the subject and the fit tester at the start of each test exercise. Ask the subject to start normal breathing and step up and down on the step. When prompted by the PortaCount, ask the subject to start deep breathing, taking care not to hyperventilate, all whilst continuing to step up and down. When prompted by the PortaCount, ask the subject to start turning their head from side to side in slow, deliberate movements, pausing slightly to inhale at each extreme. Ask the subject to take care whilst stepping up and down from the step. When prompted by the PortaCount, ask the subject to switch to moving their head up and down, inhaling when the head is up, again taking care whilst stepping. When prompted by the PortaCount, hand the subject the passage of text in the PortaCount manual and ask them, whilst continuing to step, to read it out loud. They should reread the passage continuously for a full minute. When prompted by the PortaCount, ask the subject to stop stepping and to steadily bend over at the waist, then straighten up and repeat. Finally, when prompted by the PortaCount, ask the subject to carry out normal breathing whilst stepping up and down from the step. The PortaCount will analyse the results of the test, and if the minimum fit factor level was achieved for each test exercise for that type of tight-fitting respirator, the subject has passed the test. The PortaCount will stop the fit test if the calculated fit factor for any test exercise is below the minimum fit factor. If a fit test failure occurs, have the subject refit and adjust their respirator and repeat the fit test. Two failures where you are confident there are no obvious fitting errors may indicate that the model of respirator being tested is unsuitable for that person's face shape and another size or model should be tried. Other national protocols may use different test exercises, durations of in-mask sampling, and may exclude the use of a fitness step, treadmill, or exercise bike for some fit test exercises. Please see the links at the end of this video. The TSI PortaCount has a useful real-time mode, which can provide near instantaneous information on how well a respirator has been fitted. This mode can be useful to troubleshoot poor fitting of a respirator on a subject, or can be used as an effective training tool to demonstrate the importance of correct fitting. In the example shown here, an incorrectly formed nose clip results in poor fitting, and a correctly formed nose clip results in good fitting. The TSI PortaCount will record the results of all fit testing conducted. Upon the completion of a successful fit test, the PortaCount can generate an electronic test record, which can be stored within a database or printed off for record keeping.